This is Doug Schulte with Select Machining Technologies here at the Soraluce factory in Vergara, Spain. And today we have the new member of the Dynamic Line, the HGP65, new high rail gantry that's designed for mold and die components and aerospace components and any other components that require high precision, high speed, and high accuracy. 5-axis continuous head. This head has a 60 kilowatt continuous spindle motor capable of 16,000 RPM and 160 Newton meters of torque. The machine itself has 3.5 meters of cross travel, 6.5 meters of longitudinal travel, and 1.5 meters of vertical travel. If you're looking for a high-speed, high-accuracy, high-rail gantry machine, that's the new Soraluce HGP65.